everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 24 by 48 inch Artist-Loft canvas. I'm going to do, I don't really necessarily want to say, sorry, I had to pull my pins up, a Dutch pour per se, but I may use the blow dryer some. I'm definitely going to be blowing on it, maybe doing a little smearing. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm just going to kind of go with the flow and see what happens. The colors I'm using, I have Artist-Loft Acrylic Flow White. Sorry, my bottle's pretty messed up here. I keep just refilling that one, but I have that for my base, and that is mixed with Liquitex gloss medium, and I do have some satin enamels in this one. Just trying to see what will happen. I don't know if anything will happen or not, but and then a little bit of water and Floetrol. The colors I'm going to use, I am Pearl Lilac, such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, like it's like purple heaven. Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz, Arteza's Pearl Royal Purple, and Arteza's Pearl Magenta. So like I said, I'm just gonna pour some down and just kind of start moving it around a little bit. If I need to use the blow dryer, I will. Otherwise, I'm gonna use some, I have some Amsterdam white mixed up to use for in case I want to do a little smearing, which is probably gonna happen. That tends to happen. I'm obsessed with smearing. I love to watch Gail Bernstein's channel. She is amazing at smearing. Her, and also I like to watch Cause Creations with Kathleen Osborne, something like that. I'm sorry. I'm terrible at names, at remembering everybody, but she does a lot of swiping, and her art is amazing as well. But Gail is the smear queen. And I always say Kathleen at Cause Creations is the swipe queen. So with that being said, I think that I'm gonna start off here with some Magenta. I'm not gonna use it all because I want to save some in my cup. That way, in case I want to add a little bit here and there, I can. I think I just put white paint on my face. It's kind of funny because, you know, when you do this, like, you don't think about touching yourself in the face or whatever when you go to move your glasses or whatever, you know. Sometimes I'll be sitting out in the living room and maybe for like a whole day or something, and then finally my son will be like, you know, you have white paint on your glasses, or you have paint on your glasses. And I'm like, it took you the whole day to tell me that? He's like, well, I guess I didn't really know if you knew. I'm like, obviously I didn't know. Otherwise I wouldn't have paint on my glasses. Oh gosh. So I'm just gonna kind of move it around here just a little bit and see what it does. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of the Amsterdam white on my palette knife here and do just some little smearing here and see what happens. not? Just gonna check this corner here, and then I'll bring it down for a close-up. Like it. The colors I like are soft. They're not too in your face. Neon. I don't think you can go wrong with pinks and purples, in my opinion. Just trying to turn all these lights off. That Amsterdam, I got some nice little cells in there. I just like the overall, like I like how it shaped up. Miss Pink's following me around the table. See, like this corner there, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, you don't want to leave that. Just want to make sure you can get a little bit of paint and just drip it over the side so it covers it, so it's nice and even. And then you want to make sure you go around, get all the drips. At least I do it for sure 2 times. Sometimes I do it 3. It just really depends on if I used a ton of paint. I kind of like it in this direction. But it literally can go. Even up and down is cool. I'm sorry about that glare. I'll get a better look when it's dried. And this way too is pretty cool. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't talk a whole lot, so that's why I fast forward through it. So that way you can just kind of watch rather than, look at how cool that is. It almost looks like an octopus leg. Or what do you call it, tentacle or something? Just because look at that one. That one's so cool. But look at these two. Funky. But I do thank everybody for watching. But like I said, I fast forwarded through it so you don't have to sit and listen to me because I didn't talk a lot. I tend to not talk as much when I'm trying to think about what I'm doing more than talking through it. It's kind of hard to talk through it while you're painting. But I hope you enjoyed it and you liked the video, and you will like and subscribe and share. I would appreciate it. Look at that shimmer. Like all 3 colors are pearlescent, so they're all going to have some really awesome shimmer to them. That magenta one is kind of hard to pick it up, but you can see the shimmer in that purple. Ooh, little birdie. And that lilac is just the prettiest color. Like, I'm obsessed with it. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. I may have already said that. Sorry. But I do appreciate everybody watching. And if you are interested in any of my arts, or you want something more customized to your liking, you can email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. Sorry about that. Things are getting better here. They're starting to lighten up the restrictions, but I'd stay home just to be safe for a while anyway. Not everybody's getting vaccinated, which it's obviously your choice, but I don't know. I haven't done it yet, but that's because I got sick when I was supposed to, but but stay healthy, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. Hey everybody. Just taking a little video here of the dried results. I don't know if you can see, but look at all that shimmer. Whew. It's so pretty. I just love how it turned out. I had to work with it a little bit more and tilt some. I just kind of played around with it at the end. Came back in and I thought I just wasn't quite happy with the way it was, so I kind of messed around with it a little bit more. But I love it now. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. But yeah, so that's just a quick video here of the dried results, and I hope everybody enjoyed the video and you'll like and subscribe and share. Helps my channel out a lot and I appreciate it. And hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe, and yeah, keep being creative. Bye.